So you're thinking about dipping your toes into cryptocurrencies, or maybe you're already a pro but want to squeeze out every bit of profit. Well, today I've got something special for you. One of my all-time favorite platforms, Nexo. Here on TurboFinance, we're all about sniffing out those platforms that promise the juiciest returns across various investment avenues. Whether you're into cryptos like we're chatting about today, or just want to maximize your cash flow with more traditional investments, hitting that subscribe button ensures you're always first in line for our top-notch tips. Now, circling back to Nexo, what really floats my boat about this platform is just how darn easy it is to use. In just a few minutes, you'll be navigating it like a pro thanks to its super friendly interface. With Nexo, you can buy and sell cryptocurrencies just like on any exchange, and you can even buy them directly with your card. But here's the kicker. They actually pay you commissions just for holding on to your cryptos, even in the flexible deposit where you can withdraw them whenever you want. Yep, you heard that right. Even your regular old fiat money, like the dollar, can earn some serious interest in there. So you can use it like a regular bank, except with way better interest rates. Stick around because I'm about to show you how it all goes down. It's pretty impressive, as you will see. But before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's review a crucial topic: security. Always really important, especially when you're trusting your money to any platform, especially when it's all about cryptocurrencies. Take a peek at the Nexo page and you'll see they've got all the deets about security covered. As you can see here, the Nexo page offers us all this information that we're seeing here on the screen about what security is or how the security they provide works. This exchange even has insurance. It's a $375 million insurance policy in case something happens or to safeguard our scripts or coins within this platform. I've dropped the link in the description below so you can check it out and check all the different ways they guarantee the security of the platform. Logging into our Nexo account is also secure. They offer two-factor authentication through SMS, email, or even biometric ID. Additionally, with their support team available 24/7, you can rest assured knowing they provide assistance every day of the week. Once inside the platform, let's explore its basic functions. Purchasing cryptocurrencies here is straightforward. However, the commissions aren't the most competitive. Other platforms like Binance may offer better rates, but I'll share a method to reduce them. Changing currencies is also really easy, as you can see. Now, let's get to the interesting part, the topic of interest rates. We head to our main panel where it shows the total sum in dollars of everything we have on the platform. We scroll down a bit to view our assets, and with this button, we request to hide those with a zero balance for a cleaner panel. If we look to the right, it shows us the maximum percentage we can obtain. Let's take a look at it with two assets to make it clear. First, with fiat money. This is money that I don't have in cryptocurrencies, but in common currency, like the dollar or, in this case, the euro. We click on the wallet icon, and here it shows us that by having this money in Nexo, regardless of whether cryptocurrencies go up or down and in the flexible term, meaning I can withdraw it whenever I want, I'll get a percentage of 7%, much more than what is usually offered in a bank deposit. But that's not all. I also have the option to improve it if I put it in a fixed term, plus 2% extra for 2 months and plus 6% if it's for 12, potentially reaching 15% annually with the initial 7%. This is amazing because most people don't realize that they can leverage Nexo to grow their money in currencies like dollars or euros, even if they don't want to take risks with cryptocurrencies, and achieve a very high return with zero commissions. I know investors who put in a lot of effort to find assets with this benefit and are amazed to find it here in Nexo among cryptocurrencies going unnoticed. Let's do it with the most popular cryptocurrency, Bitcoin. Just by having our Bitcoin in Nexo, we can get a 4% annual interest, an additional 4% for having a platinum loyalty level. I'll explain how to activate it next, plus extra percentages for fixed terms. As you can see, I currently have a monthly one active, which auto-renews, and we can get an extra 2% if we choose to receive the interest in Nexo currency. As you can see, I have it deactivated now because I prefer my profits in the same currency I have invested in, but I had it active for a long time. That's because this exchange works very well without having Nexo tokens, but it works even better if you have them, and besides buying them, this is another way to get them. Here you can see in my transaction section how they have been paying me daily interest, now in other currencies and previously in Nexo tokens, due to my previous configuration. Activating the loyalty level for the extra benefits we've seen, like reduced purchase fees, receiving more interest, and others you can discover on the website, is as simple as having a percentage of your assets in the Nexo token. You can buy it, or choose to have the first interest paid to you in Nexo to start accumulating it, as we have just seen. It doesn't take much, as you can see in my case. With less than $300, I'm already platinum. To give the platform a try, I'll leave a link in the description where you'll get your first $25 in Bitcoin for free when you deposit $100. In conclusion, in my opinion, it's a platform worth trying out even if you don't have Nexo tokens. Personally, I prefer not to consolidate all my assets in one exchange. Diversification is key after all. But hey, Nexo seems like a solid bet for diving into the crypto scene or stashing some assets to rake in those sweet interest rates, especially if you're already a seasoned investor. Don't miss out on any of our insider tips and tricks. Hit that subscribe button now to stay in the loop on all things finance and crypto. Let's embark on this financial journey together. Don't forget to click the link in the description to claim your free $25 in Bitcoin. Thanks for tuning in. Catch you in the next adventure here on TurboFinance. Remember to invest smartly. Bye.